We're going to Whole Foods to pick up some.
What are we picking up?
We're picking up some refreshments.
Yeah. We're getting better at this already, guys. This is how the rich stay rich, guys.
All right, guys, just got the Whole Foods. Ozzy, look at this shirt. Do a 360. He says that this shirt is an XL. Let's see. He was not lying. That is an XL.
I've never lied.
He got a similar shirt, but on the back it says Taipei, and I tried it on, and it looked like a nightgown.
It's just because I'm a bigger individual.
He's like 2 inches taller than me. Let's just put that in perspective. He's not that much taller than me.
From the angle, you can't tell, but I'm really 6'4".
This is not the height of a 6-foot man right here.
20% off?
A cantaloupe. You guys don't like cantaloupe? You guys are haters. Oh, I need a ginger shot. 3 gingers.
All right, the moment of truth. Thank you. Mission failed, guys. Feeling very poor right now. So, yep. Passenger asleep. Driver asleep. But we not. Good morning, sunshine.
Did you turn on my seat warmer? No. You didn't? My ass is on fire.
It's probably the hottest day I've experienced so far. Even Tito said that's crazy, and he's from Texas. Yeah, we're coming up on the boardwalk. We got these nice apartments here. Kind of a vibe. This is Sunday at like noon or 1. Go in.
Oh, fuck, it's cold. Oh, fuck.
Look at the setup, y'all. My humble little setup.
Ozzy wants to get dark. He wants to be Filipino so bad. I'm already like 5 shades darker. I feel it. Thank you.
This is all of our favorite fruits. One is watermelon.
You know Filipinos love cantaloupe?
Yeah. What do we rate the beach, guys?
I got 8 out of 10.
For New York, that was like a 9.
I give it a strong 7, 6, 7.
No trash. Sand wasn't that dirty.
People were cool.
Come on, let's go. Yo. You do it then. Watch, he's gonna spill too. Watch. You literally spilled, bro.
Never had it.
I really want to know what's in that. Excuse me. What's inside the chrome bag? That one. Should we win it for the vlog?
That'd be a crazy art.
I guess inside the chrome heart bag is a mystery item. Ozzy, stand right there. Sinful Eats. It's 5:30 p.m. Late ass start today. We've had an eventful week. Tito's last day in New York. So we're gonna go to the city, go meet Ozzy, grab some smoothies, and just vibe. But alright, we'll bring you with us. Peace. Alright, thank you. Yeah. Tito just ordered a $22 smoothie. $24 smoothie. He's still mad about this $25 smoothie.
I'm still thinking about that shit.
I I got the pink cloud. Tito got the...
Holy cow.
I think this has banana, passion fruit, mango. Mine was $12. This is a $12 smoothie. Look at his smoothie. It's black and white and it's literally $25.
I think I paid $25 aesthetic of the drink, not of how it tastes.
This is mid.
This shit is fucking garbage. I'm so pissed.
This is actually so mid. Well, we're on our way to pick up Ozzy. And then truthfully, I don't know where we're going after that, so. At the same time, memories surface through the grapevine, but only tell you about my mind when I'm all alone. Well, go on. Look, we just picked up Ozzy. What up?
So we out here.
This is my security. Am I your favorite Asian?
Yes, you are. Yes.
So
It broke my heart. Last night in NYC.
Hell yeah. What are you making?
Fashion variation that we make here with tequila, basically.
With tequila. On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you rate your drink?
10.
10?
Not gonna lie.
For real?
Yeah.
He's never rated a drink a 10.
Here, some lemon oil expression, easy money with a quinoa leaf on top.
Alright guys, we just got the Prince Street Pizza.
Tito's last night in New York.
Tito's favorite pizza shop.
This is what he chose to do, guys.
This is what he wanted to do his last night in New York City. Alright, let's get some pizza. Can I do one meat lovers?
Let's do that. Meat lovers.
Alright, we got Prince Street Pizza. Me and Tito got meat lovers. Ozzy got spicy vodka and something else. Alright, that's it. Last day, Tito's last day in New York, I hope.
So we're going to Greenpoint right now. Gonna shoot some flicks for Austin.
Yo, what the fuck?
Good morning.
It's raining. Friday. Tito wanted a drink.
Wait, see how she grows? It is, but right now.
Left the bar. Made it to Ichiran.
He's got past Fiji. Ramen is Japanese.
Yeah.
So what is ramen? Thank you. Thank you.
Type is universal.
Leaving New York in a couple hours. Road trip back to Denver. Thanks for coming. Text me when you get to Chicago. I love you, fam. Drive safe. I'll see you soon. And just like that, my Cybertruck is going back to Denver.